Today I'm bringing you the summer version of Stockfish, easy, quick, and above all, delicious. Thank you for watching. The preparation of this dish is very simple and also very quick, so we don't have to spend too much time at the stove because this is the summer version. In fact, the main ingredient of this dish is obviously stockfish, or if you want to replace it with salted cod, it's the same thing. It's up to you. The other important thing is the datarini tomatoes, okay? They're pretty, aren't they? The first thing to do is to cut our datarini tomatoes in half. How beautiful, they're so beautiful. Fresh! And here you go. And now let's move to the stove. In a pan, we add a drizzle of oil. A small clove of crushed garlic, and let the garlic brown slightly. Make sure not to burn it, okay? The oil is now fragrant. Let's add our cherry tomatoes. And let them soften for 2 or 3 minutes, okay, over high heat. After a few minutes, the cherry tomatoes start to release their natural juices. Well, I haven't added the salt yet because we still have some savory ingredients to add. So I lower the heat a little and add the stockfish. Here we go, I'll make some room. Skin side down, great. I'll add some capers. And also some black olives from Gaeta. And then a bit of oregano. And let's go cook this beautiful and delicious dish. Now all that's left is to cover it with the lid, set it to medium heat and start cooking. As you can see, after about 10 minutes, the stockfish has also released its liquid, of course, so we keep going. As you can see, it's already starting to flake. Yes, because stockfish is supposed to flake like this. So what do I do now? To speed up the cooking a bit, I do it this way. I pour a bit of hot liquid over it. We're almost there, actually. By the way, if you like, you can obviously add a bit of chili pepper too. I like to add a pinch, not too much, just a little. Be careful, not too much. And then another thing, at this point we taste the sauce a little. Let's see if it's salty enough, if it's good. At this point I'll also add a pinch of salt because I tasted it and it's a bit sweet. So a little bit of salt, but not on the stockfish, only in the sauce. Let's let it cook a little longer because it's almost ready. We're almost there. And since it's a summer dish, instead of parsley, I'll add a fragrant basil leaf. Here we go. Let's turn off the heat. And let's plate it. And our summer-style stockfish is ready to be served at the table. It's a delight just to look at. Oh my, what a sight. Thanks, and at this point, all that's left is for me to taste it. Enjoy your meal. Dearest friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I highly recommend you try it because it's truly delicious, very easy and simple to prepare. And after this fabulous bite, I say goodbye and look forward to seeing you next time. A kiss to everyone.